So welcome to Data Engineers Food Crazy People's contest. And then the theme is kimchi fried rice. And we have two entrants to this blessed event. And we invited Silicon Valley's most prestigious food critics. Yes, so
Okay.
this is kimchi fried rice.
Interesting. There's corn. I never had corn in the kimchi fried rice.
It's got a little on the bland side, but it's kind of like bland how I like it.
It's got a kick to it, like that
It has
sauce.
a kick to it, like the hotness. but-
Corn's interesting.
I don't know how you say this is
Okay.
I
bland.
know it's not bland at all.
I don't know.
What we said about the corn?
He said interesting.
It's interesting.
What does it interesting mean?
It means it's interesting.
This doesn't give me any feedback. Okay, this judge just finished the bowl without
will-
saying a word.
You finished already?
It's really salty.
I think the corn gives a little crunchy texture.
Ah, there's a crunchy texture.
It's good. Didn't expect the corn, but it works out well.
Okay.
I like the corn.
I wouldn't call it bland. Maybe part of it is, you can feel the spiciness, but there isn't like the flavor profile leading up to that.
Okay.
So maybe that's what makes it kind of seem bland. to some.
Interesting.
Next. Cleanse your palate, guys.
Oh, okay. Now the judges are trying the second kimchi.
All right, we're
fried
trying the
rice.
second one.
All right,
I
second
see
one.
I see bacon bits.
Okay. All right.
I like the
This was
cabbage.
really good.
All right, I have a winner.
You have a winner. Oh, already?
Wow, really?
I decided.
Judge.
I would say the second one, to me, actually tastes more like an unusual Spanish rice.
I think the first one is more what I would expect versus the second one because of the bacon added.
All right.
I agree with Ron. The first one tastes more like, kimchi fried rice, especially the spam. That was my second ingredient. Spam and fried eggs.
I'll vote for the first one. It more matches my expectations.
1, 2,
for kimchi
3.
rice.
I think we're done.
Only
I feel
one
like
can win.
this one is a very strong kimchi. Like, when you eat it, you just know it's like, wow, that's a lot of kimchi. But this one is more subtle, but when you bite the pieces of kimchi cabbage, it's like very kimchi too. And both have crunchiness, where the corn is the crunchy part, and this one is the burnt rice and the bacon gives it a crunchiness. I'm gonna go with this one.
Wow. Nice.
I think I'm a big green as well.
Green.
That's one with bacon.
You like the bacon one?
Yeah, I think the first one is it's more conventional.
Yeah.
I'd say the second one's less so.
I picked this one. Yours green too?
The person over there doesn't count.
This one doesn't count?
That one doesn't count.
Oh,
No.
then forget you then.
Yeah.
So then, this is a tough, because they're both good in their own different way. Like I said, the orange would be like food truck style, and then that's really good. But this was really good too. I like the big chunks of kimchi.
Should we do like a drum roll?
You're supposed to answer right after that.
I think I'd have to go with the green also.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 'cause it was,
Okay.
Cooks, come on up.
Please
You
come
guys,
on up.
you guys can come up and show yourselves.
The Iron Chef has arrived. And the challenger. Okay, go ahead. I'm the challenger.
You're a challenger.
Yeah.
Okay. So the food is green.
Who's green?
Ah!
Korean chef lost to Iron Chef Singapore in a cookout of Korean fried rice.
Okay. I tried my best today. I gave it my all. But in the end, I picked the wrong judges.
Brought to you by Quok Quok Productions.
That'll be our signature.